This is Scott the Fix It Guy. Today we're dealing with a Wolf cooktop burner that just keeps clicking. So we're going to take the grate off. This is, I think they call a soup burner. So it's just one single burner.
Yeah.
And we're going to try to figure out why it's clicking. Sometimes this can be due to some moisture that's gotten down in by the igniter, and it ends up grounding out the system. So it'll just keep clicking, clicking, clicking. This one actually looks pretty dry. It can also be caused by a igniter that's pretty dirty, so we're going to clean up the whole area. Lights up pretty fast, but then it just keeps clicking. You can use a little electrical cleaner to spray in and around the igniter and also near the burner. And when you ignite it, you have a little bit of a flame will kick up. You just burn off, and it can help to clean that area. Sometimes that'll do the trick. Also, that is one way to get rid of some of the water. It's just to spray the electrical cleaner, and then it'll just burn it off. So other things that can cause it to keep clicking would be a spark module that's defective. They're actually pretty easy to change on this model. And there's also a little switch underneath the knob that can be stuck in position. That can be the trouble. And even a bad igniter. So it's kind of tricky to really determine which part it is. I'm going to pull back on this display. I'm going to just gently pry it off so I have access to the switch that turns on the igniter. Pry it back, and there's a little red plastic film that is also protecting that area so dust can't get in there. So I'm just going to pry that out of the way, and then I can look at the switch and I can see if it's stuck, if it's moving back and forth as I turn the dial. It actually looks good. If you wanted to replace the switch, it'd be pretty easy to do. If you have the power off, you can just take out a Phillips head screw and that switch will come right out. There's a little light plate in the way too that you have to move up and out of the way. So for this model, checking everything out, cleaning the igniter, cleaning the little gas ports, it appears that probably it's just going to be replacing the spark module itself. We get it going. So I hope this has been helpful to you. And please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks for watching.